Everybody, how is everybody doing? I am in a very different location today. I am in fact at Thorpe Park today. I am by myself because Dave couldn't come. I think Dave actually chickened out very quickly. No, he was actually working, so he couldn't come. Or did he actually chicken out? Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. I've actually been invited to go to the media event of Fright Nights over in Thorpe Park, which is kind of awesome, kind of cool, kind of scary because I'm on my own. But do you know what? I've done Halloween Horror Nights before. What's the worst that can happen, eh? Nothing can top Halloween Horror Nights, can it? Oh, and not to mention as well, I kind of forgot to bring the battery to my G7X. So I'm actually recording on my phone that only has 55% battery. So let's see how much of this vlog I can actually salvage today. Anyway, we've been actually keeping a little secret from you guys. We've actually been invited to a few press nights this month. So if you like spooky things and horror things and things that are happening in the UK, stay tuned and make sure to subscribe to their channel. So let's go and find out. Ladies and gentlemen, I am in. I tell you what, when you go to these scary events on your own, it's a little bit scary. I mean, even the lake looks a little bit, oh, what am I doing? I've got this, Steph, it'll be fine. Okay, oh, this is fun. Oh, stud. Oh my gosh, I can't even recognize anybody right now. Oh, hello, hi. Am I on my own on this thing? Let's go and try one of these little spookies. Ooh, it's white chocolate.
So we have fingers, we have eyeballs.
Oh wow.
We also have ears. We have baby ears, oh yes.
Oh wow.
And we have blood bags.
So how do I drink this?
Okay, what you have to do, madam, is you have to pop this open like this.
Okay.
Pop it open.
Wow.
And then you can take it off, and then you have to bite on this to be able to suck it.
Fantastic.
Yeah,
okay.
exactly.
If you didn't see what was going on, I've just been given a blood bag. Blood bag of soup. How genius is this? And it's really nice and warm, so I can just zip up my coat and then drink it. Oh, I'm just gonna put my finger in my mouth right now. Oh, it's so good. Dave's missing out. I'm sorry if the quality of the video quality and the audio quality is pretty pants on this phone. We're gonna have a good night, regardless. Go oh my god! Alright, fellas.
Well, that's just so sweet.
What is that?
Mrs. Jones back home would be too pleased
Twisted
to hear about
Carnival.
that.
Making friends here. Oh, exactly. I forgot who that guy is. I'm sorry, I forgot your name again. There is no one in this park. I'm just having a stroll in a theme park. Gosh, last time I walked in a theme park by myself, I'm sorry I've gone dark again, was when I was working for the mouse. And I'm walking down a very dark alleyway right now. Ooh. Okay, first house is Flowwitch. Ooh. His lights keep changing on me. Oh, my dog. Ooh, I'm green.
Legend says his eyes were turned black as he killed the children. He was under her control. She had him. Just follow the path. Get out of here. Go. Go.
creative. Gotta give them that. I can't believe I had to crouch through a little tunnel. That was very creative. Blair Witch down, on to the next one. I see a guy. Okay.
Whoa, 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 what are you doing? How did you make it past the first checkpoint? If you are a resident of Deckley because you passed through, then I regret to inform you that there has been a serious incident regarding our nearby facility. Before any of you pass through, I must know, have any of you drank the water at all?
Maybe.
Well, for those of you that haven't, I suggest you keep an eye on those who have. It is imperative that you do not come into contact with any of these infected individuals because, as of now, there is currently no cure.
Oh no! I don't like this game no more! Stop it! Oh gosh, are you alright? Did you hit your head?
Look at my arm!
Oh gosh! I'm sorry, I can't help you! Oh gosh! Okay, I'm not screaming. Okay, that one got me. That was very good. Oh my god, that scared me. That was very, very good. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. No, don't like that.
Who disturbs our rest?
Oh no! Oh my gosh! That had really good sound effects, very good surround sound to it. Very, very creative. I'm actually pleasantly surprised by Thorpe Park. I wasn't expecting houses like this of creativity and stuff. It also smelt in there. That was vile. Let's go. Time to walk. Time for some Thor. Get! You leave it about me! You crazy, please! Not my favourite.
Hide behind the seats and quick! Now!
What y'all doing behind them seats? We're all family here. My name is Emery.
Hiding.
Who are you? What did you call me?
You did this to me! You butchered everyone!
I'm sorry, son. Have you been eating some of that tainted beef? There is no place here for you. Everybody else, if you like to just follow.
Don't listen to her!
And as I like to say, if you can't find food, you become.
Oh. Hello.
One of the best, huh?
Yeah. Oh my god. Where do I go? Where do I go? Oh my god, I don't know where I'm going. I must admit that was quite fun. Very narrow on one spot where you were backed up and cornered by two zombies. So I had to take my bag off in order to scoot past because like I've got a huge backpack on my back. Oh my god. Oh, he's coming. What the Negan? Why is Negan here? Okay, random question. Big balls, yeah? Big balls in a big crane thing. How do you get the prize out? Big ball. Quite narrow door. Big ball. Narrow door. How does it come out? Who knows? Apparently I'm going to get a sack over my head. So, I can't really record in here, I don't think. Because I'm not going to be able to see anything. There's my set. See you in a bit. Oh! Okay! Right! Oh! Okay, that was hilarious. They put sacks on our heads. And I was with this girl in front. And she kind of went on a completely different wrong direction. So yeah, we got completely lost and no one really found us. So we had to like take off our hoods and try and figure out where we were. No one really realised that we were lost. So we could have been in there for quite a while. The speed that these ducks are going. It's crazy. Kind of weird. There's nobody here. There is nobody here. Oh, the phone box is going off. So crazy, isn't it? Creepy. So the night is drawing to a close. Oh. Oh. Well, that just confirmed everything's closed. I'm sure you will. Pretty much. I was kind of gutted that I didn't hear Tim's speech. There were so many voices on the audio and stuff, and unfortunately I didn't catch Tim, which was really gutted about because I would have loved to have heard him because I'm so proud of him, and Jen as well. I'm super proud of both of them. But hey, maybe next time. Okay, so that is Fright Nights all done for tonight. I've actually checked into a hotel because it is really late. I was actually pleasantly surprised by Fright Nights. Normally, like, scary houses in theme parks and stuff don't really tend to top what, you know, Halloween Horror Nights has. You know, and I've never really been to a Fright Night or a Halloween event, you know, at Thorpe Park. And I was quite pleasantly surprised. I mean, I'm not trying to compare it with Halloween Horror Nights, but what I am recognising is they've made the most of what they have. And some of the mazes were absolutely incredible. Like, they're going through all of the woods at the back. I had no problems whatsoever with all of the actors. I think all of the actors, including the scare actors as well, were on form. They were fantastic. And a really cool thing about Fright Nights is it's a very different scary house or maze. In regards to, there is more of a storyline where they break you off into groups. And, you know, they will set the scene. And as well, they really play with your other senses. So it's not necessarily about screechy noises and banging and all that other stuff. Sometimes you are completely like blindfolded, or you're in a very dark tunnel, but like the surround sound and everything is giving an eerie feeling. And the platform maze as well was quite impressive, where we were just walking down just a pathway and we thought we were just walking down towards the scare actors, which we were, but it kind of gave the illusion that we were next to a train station. And it was just really, it was very clever. It was very clever how they did it, so I give them props to that. So if any of you have never been before and you would like to actually give it a go, seriously do. These scare mazes are actually open all day and night, so if you can't make it during the night, you can do it during the day, and I think that's wonderful. So yeah, if you did like this video, guys, give it a massive thumbs up. Really appreciate it. I know I keep saying it in every video, but honestly, I really do. And if you have not already, click the red button down below and subscribe, and to make sure to smash the bell button as well so that you are notified when we bring out another video. Enjoy the rest of your evening, whatever you guys are actually doing, and we will see you very soon. Mwah.